The coefficient of friction is the ratio of the frictional force resisting the motion of two surfaces in contact to the normal force pressing the two surfaces together. There are two types of friction, which are static friction and kinetic friction. In this experiment, the frictional force between the rope and the fixed drum will be measured, and from plotted data, the coefficient of static friction will be obtained by the equation below.
Next, the objective of this experiment is to determine the coefficient of static friction between the rope and the fixed drum by performing a simple experiment.
The things we need for this experiment is first a fixed drum, a 1500 ml water bottle, a 500 ml water bottle, and rope. Fill up the 500 ml and 1500 ml PET bottles with the 500 ml volume of water. Hang the bottles on a fixed drum. Top up water gradually in the 1500 ml PET bottle and stop once the rope is slipped toward the 1500 ml bottle.
Repeat the experiment by adding 400, 300 and 200 milliliter volume of water in the 500 milliliter water bottle. Then record all the data in the table.
Moving to the discussion. So first, to find the coefficient of static friction, we can use the formula T1 equals to T2 multiplied by E raised to the power of mu times beta. So second, by arranging the equation to make the coefficient of static friction, the subject we get is coefficients of friction between surface and back equals to ln T1 divided by T2 divided by pi. Third, we have determined that the angle of the bed on the surface contact beta is equal to pi rads, while the average tension for T1 and T2 is 6.009 Newton and 3.434 Newton respectively. Fourth, by substituting this value into the equation we get, coefficient of static friction between surface and bed is equals to ln 6.009 divided by 3.434 divided by pi. So the last answer we get is coefficient of friction between surface and bed equals to 0.178. So I think that's all for me for discussion. Thank you. Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kafi Umar Syams, nomenclature A188611. So moving to our conclusions. First, in this experiment the coefficient is positive and the tensions against the direction of frictions, which is the force that moves the rope, is greater than the tension that hold it in place. Second, according to our calculation, the cylindrical rod used as the stationary drum has a smooth surface and a low coefficient of static frictions. Third, the coefficient value that we obtained from the calculation has a small value. And lastly is the experiment showed that using weights as tensions we may measure the coefficient of static frictions. I think that's all from me. Thank you.